Take 4.5 feet distant apart. Turn your right to right side, both the heels in one line. Press the front toe and left toe outward and press it hard, hands sideways. Look at the middle finger, breathe in. Fold your knee and lower the midsection down. Keep your body aligned. Slowly straighten your knee and relax. Same thing you can do other side. Keep the same distance apart. Turn your left to left side, hands sideways. Breathe in, look at the middle finger and lower your hips down. Slowly come up, straightening your knee and hands lower, relax. Take your wrist, elbow, shoulder in one line. Keep a little gap between your knees. So breathe in, lift your chin up and chest upward. Breathe around your back, bring your chin to the chest. Breathe in, lift your chin up, chest upward, curve your back. Breathe around your back, bring your chin to the chest. Breathe in, curve, breathe out round. From cat pose, you can go to the downward dog where you need to press the heel down, knee straight, elbow straight, take the chest towards the thigh and bring your head towards the ground. Stay here with a normal breath. Slowly rest your knee down and relax. Elbow perpendicular, shoulder, hip, knee and ankle in line, chest opened up. Keep your hands on your vest. Breathe in and raise the hips up and stay here. You can raise the hands also up. If this will be difficult for you, you can take a one leg ahead and hold. If that is also difficult, then keep a little space between a thigh and heels and hold it here and raise the hands up. Slowly come down. Same thing you can do it other side. Make sure your core muscle tight. You can do modified easy version. This or this. Take your body 60-degree angle. Raise both the legs up and both the hands up and pay attention to your toe. Keep your core muscle tight. If you cannot do this, place the palm behind the back. Little bit weight on your palms and lift both the legs up and keep watching the toe.